SynBuddy 2.0. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashsaviors.com. I'm inside the members area of SynBuddy 2.0. During this video, I'll be giving you a demo of exactly what is inside the members area and how it works. I have personally been using products of Joshua Zamura, who is the creator of this product, and it's one of the very good product. I've been using the sister of this product, SynTrio it's called, and basically Synd Lab, SynBuddy, SynTrio, all these softwares are basically provide backlinks to rank your YouTube videos and also your sites, posts, and other things to the first page of Google. In a nutshell, SynBuddy is an automated social syndication system. You can also get a lot of social shares by this platform, SynBuddy. And what this means is you just have to paste your content or your link into the SynBuddy dashboard, and SynBuddy will automatically post your content to other social accounts linked to SynBuddy. So SynBuddy is definitely newbie friendly. You don't have to know what backlink is or what an SEO is. You don't have to be an expert in SEO to rank your video or your page to the top of Google. All you have to do is just paste the link in SynBuddy, and SynBuddy will take care of the rest. So you can start getting backlinks and traffic to your page almost instantly using SynBuddy. So that's it. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please click on the link in the description below, which will take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. All you have to do is scroll down this page, and you're going to find a yellow button like this. Just click on this yellow button. As of 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 15th of October, then you will be directed to the sales page, which looks like this, and you just have to go into the sales page and get early bird access to this particular software, SynBuddy 2. The sales page is going to look something like this, exactly like this. This is a sales page, and the front end is going to cost you around $33, and in the first 6 hours, and then it's a dime sale is going to kick in. So the price is going to increase after the first 6 hours. So it's better you be the early bird and catch this catch the price as early as possible. So that's the thing. I put in a lot of custom bonuses for people who buy this product through my link, and I've taken a lot of time, spent a lot of time creating these bonuses for you. So I just wanted to show you the bonuses, what bonuses I have put in for you. That will be there in the bonus page here, and you just have to scroll down here below, and you're going to see this is the bonus number 1. I'm going to give you the lockdown formula, and this is the lockdown formula gives you access to the course through which you will learn how to make money online in the lockdown using affiliate marketing. So this is basically about affiliate marketing, which gives you a step-by-step formula of how you can start doing affiliate marketing and start earning money. So this is my bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is how to build a buyer's list while profiting. This is my bonus number 2 is basically how to build an email list fast, and through which you can make some sales. And my bonus number 3 is you're going to get access to content curation hack. Basically you're going to this by this hack you can produce content instantly in any niche by hijacking others' YouTube videos, and it's simply a very powerful hack. So this is your bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 is the supreme bonus, and here you will be getting access to 35 bonuses, a bundle of over 35 bonuses. It will give access to your bonus vault. So you can just access the 35 bonuses, and you can give away these bonuses to build your list, or to build a list, or even you can bundle them with other products like what I'm doing. And bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses. These bonuses the vendor has given me to give it away to you, and the vendor has given 7 bonuses. Bonus number 1 is agency rights to Syntrio, and bonus number 2 is 20 professional YouTube thumbnails. Bonus number 3 is 20 professional CTA images, call to action images. Bonus number 4 is the Samurai keyword bootcamp. Bonus number 5 is a Samurai video emotion. Bonus number 6 is over the shoulder gold digging video, and bonus number 5 is a 90-minute live training Q&A session by Joshua Zamura, the creator of this product. And this product has been there for quite some time, and this is one of the flagship SynLab is the flagship product of Joshua Zamura. Basically, he helps people in building backlinks, which is a very important step to getting traffic to your organic traffic to your pages or YouTube videos. So that's what this software is all about. So you're going to get access to all the vendor bonuses and also my bonuses, all absolutely free of charge, even though you buy the front end of this product, which is going to just cost you around $33. To get all these bonuses, all you need to do is click the link in the description below, and which will take you to the bonus page, and click on these yellow buttons, and through which you can access SynBuddy through the sales page after you make the purchase. So how you're going to get your bonuses, where you're going to get your bonuses, very simple. After you get through the sales page and press the buy now button, it will take you to the JVZoo payment gateway, and after this you're going to get a thing which shows like this, just looking for a purchaser. Just press this click on this blue button, and it will take you to this particular JVZoo receipt page. And below on the receipt page you find a green button which says access your purchase. Just below that is you're going to find a blue button which says Prakash bonuses. Then just press on this button and you're going to get all the bonuses to you. You don't have to give me an email ID, you don't have to send me a receipt page or anything. So that's what you're going to get for this particular you're going to get the bonuses. So let me talk to you now about the upsells and also the front end product and all that. The front end of SynBuddy 2.0 is going to cost you around $33, as I've told you already. Access the powerful SynBuddy 2.0 software and training modules. Upsell number 1 is SynBuddy 2.0 agency license. So this you're going to get about for $47 per month. So it's an agency license, it's a monthly subscription, and SynBuddy is a credit based system. So here you will be able to lock in your monthly credits at a launch price discount, plus you just have to put down a $1 for that credits. You have to just put on $1, and we have used this multiple times and is no barrier, that converts extremely well. So I myself have been using this particular platform. It's a very good platform, and no, the rankings are just automatic here for this particular platform. Using this platform, upsell number 2 is done for you indexer platform, which costs you $67. This will help you supercharge your campaigns by unlocking your done for you indexer system, so that the campaigns get put through a backlink indexer account, so that your syndication carries a much stronger punch. This is your upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is My Video Spy Agency. This is going to cost you around $47 per quarter. It's a powerful platform which allows you to uncover untapped niches, analyze your competitor accurately, gauge how much traffic you get from your target niches, and much more. So it's perfect if you want to complete the entire package. One traffic circle, it's $47 per quarter. And upsell number 4 is the SyndLab, that is which costs you $97. It's a bigger brother of SyndBuddy, which is SyndLab. So SyndBuddy has built off the platform of SyndLab, on which it is on the same platform this SyndBuddy is built on. So SyndLab allows you to share your content to your own network, and SyndBuddy allows you to leverage the exchange to get shares from other people's accounts also. So this is the thing about SyndLab. I don't want to go much on this and waste your time. You can just come over here and see on your own time. So, and I just want to go to the sales page and just want to take you to the sales page once. So this particular thing, yeah. So get free targeted traffic to any one offer or service by letting a proven army of 5,430 members do all the social syndication for you, so you can rank on page 1 in 48 hours or less. And this works for any niche, any location, any language, and it does not matter if you tried your ranking tools and failed. So that's what I've told you. I told you that no, you can rank irrespective of your niche, irrespective of any location or any language. You can rank it using this particular social syndication software. And no, you can come and have a look at the sales page at your own time. And also I have put, there are demo videos on the sales page and also the bonus page. You can just have a look at the demo video. And without wasting much time, I just want to take you to the SyndBuddy dashboard. The dashboard looks like this, and this is you got social signals, social shares, credits, and now you got competitions, tutorials. Tutorials, of course, you got around 4 videos which tells you about how to quick start SyndBuddy, and auto sharing and deleting, editing, how to perform social signals and audio campaigns. So all this is there in the members area for you. And now here in the social signals, you have to go to my campaigns, and you just have to create a campaign here, and in this you give a name of the campaign, the URL what you want to promote, and what category this belongs to. So if it belongs to the apparel category or job evaluation, whatever category, just give the category. The total limit is the number of shares you want to you really want to do. Suppose you want say around 500 shares, so you can just give 500 here, and that will be the number of shares that you're going to this particular thing will perform. And suppose you want a daily limit of say 25 shares, just give the daily limit here. And suppose you want the show signal types, you want Facebook signal, or you want Google Plus or Twitter tweets, just then press add, and then that's it. And so you're going to it's going to create a thing for you. So Here I have not added any name, that's why it is not going into the thing. Otherwise you can just have to do this thing and it will go. Now this is for the social signals, this is for the social shares, the similar thing. You go into my campaigns, create a campaign here, and your targets. So here what you can do is you have to create account on all Facebook, no, all these you have to create accounts here, and you can just have target and accounts. You just have to create the accounts, whatever accounts there, all the accounts you have to create, and you have to load in the accounts over here. And so what happens is, and then you press share, it will automatically be going to all these particular accounts where you want to share this particular link or a video. So that's it for the end of this SendBuddy review. So thank you very much for watching this. If you like this video, kindly click on the share, like and subscribe button, so that it really helps me in ranking. And if you want me to produce more videos like this, kindly encourage me by subscribing to my video channel.